There are a lot of RV YouTube channels, and time is really limited. Nobody has unlimited time.
Izzy would be watching every single one of the videos when we first started, and you really did learn a lot. As we go throughout this video, which one of these is your favorite? Everybody goes on YouTube for different reasons. Some people go for entertainment, some people go for information, some like to do it all.
So this video is all about saving you time when you're searching for information on your RV while on YouTube. So what do we mean about this? There are a lot of YouTube channels out there. There are a lot of RV YouTube channels, and time is really limited. Nobody has unlimited time. So we decided to make this video to kind of narrow down popular RV channels out there and what their main focus, a lot of videos, what type of videos they do. Now, here's a disclaimer. We can't name every YouTube channel out there, RV YouTube channel. And every YouTube channel that we're naming on here, this doesn't mean this is the only videos they do. But what we're gonna tell you is that what we're talking about, a lot of the videos that they produce will hit the categories we're going to talk about. Before we move on, if you've watched a lot of these channels, this is going to be familiar for you. We want to thank the official sponsor of this video. It's going to be RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. What is RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding? It is a company that makes RV specific mattresses. Now, if you have an RV, the mattress that comes from the factory is pretty terrible. We were no different. We upgraded over a year ago. We have a memory foam mattress from RVmattress.com, and we love it.
We do. And we actually got Jason one for his bedroom, which is phenomenal.
He's got a much nicer one.
Yeah, it's like really soft and really, really nice. What's great about them, again, when you get a mattress, you're not sure if you're gonna like it in a week or two. You need more time. They have a 120-night sleep trial, which is great. If you don't like it, you can ship it back for free, and they have a 10-year warranty.
All their mattresses are made in the USA, which is pretty awesome. Also, they have different types of RV mattresses, so if you want just a memory foam like we have, you can get that. They have coils. They have a hybrid of foam and coils. They even have the cooling mattresses, blankets,
cooling
pillows, weighted blankets. They have it all. And what's even better, if you go to rvmattress.com/endless and you put the code in,
endless,
you will get 20% off. So what better way? Get a great night of sleep on your RV. Go check them out. So the first category that RVers like to look for is travel. Well, I mean, it kind of makes sense. Why would you have an RV if you don't want to travel?
So put in the comments below, as we go throughout this video, which one of these is your favorite, or do you like all of them?
And we're just picking a few of them because we don't want this video to be 3 hours.
Right. And what I mean by favorite, like which category that we talk about is what you really go to YouTube for when you're searching RV YouTube channels. So the first one is documenting travels. So the first one, as everybody knows, is Keep Your Daydream. So KYD, it has been around for quite a while. They're one of the OGs. If you haven't heard of them, you must be living under a rock or something, but they do phenomenal videos. They travel all over. They have different seasons, so you can go back and kind of, binge watch different places they've been. So that's the first one. So the next one is Phil and Stacy from You Mean the RV. I'm sure you've heard of them. They're great friends of ours. They do a lot of travel videos along with some other videos as well.
Yeah, and as full-time RVers, they really have the inside scoop, the real world experience on cheap places to camp, nice places to camp. How can you save money on the road? How do you budget on the road?
Right.
Some things that maybe you don't think about, amongst other things, but yes, they do cover a lot of traveling.
Right. The next one is a newer channel that we've met. They're called Turn It Up World.
They've been around. We just met them.
No, they're new to us. We just met them actually at the Hershey show, but they do a lot of traveling, worldwide traveling. Right now they're kind of focused in Vegas, but they're all over the place, and they do really fun videos.
Yeah, and they travel in a Winnebago Echo.
And the last one is Happily Ever Hanks, and we met them back last year at Tampa show. They do great videos also, different things, but they're full-timers, so they're traveling around, so you'll be able to see a lot of different travels and places that they go.
Yeah, and they travel in their fifth wheel.
Right.
Phil and Stacy travel in their Class A.
Yep.
Turn It Up World travels in a van, so you get a nice little mix of different...
And KYD right now is in an Airstream, right.
So the next big area where RVers like to search on YouTube is RV tours, because who doesn't like looking at RVs, especially if you're looking to buy one.
So we have a number of people that we recommended. You can probably guess the one that we're going to start with, and that's Matt's RV Reviews. If you need to find a review or a walkthrough of an RV, I pretty much can guarantee that Matt has probably done
Most
it at some point in his life. Matt puts out videos every day between his 2 channels. So he has Matt's RV Reviews, Matt's RV Reviews Towables, and he does very, very thorough walkthroughs of every RV he does. So obviously on his main channel, he's focusing on the motorized, and then the towables, he covers a lot of trailers and fifth wheels.
Now, the next channel I'm going to mention, one thing that Matt doesn't do too often is the really high-end motorhomes. So if you haven't seen RVing with Andrew Steele, another channel that we've done collabs with, he does a lot of RV tours, but very high-end. Newell coaches, high-end production, Prevost coaches, wealth of information. If you're looking somewhere to buy in that area, like you really want high-end, you probably know who we're talking about.
Right. And the next one is a very great couple, and their channel is RV Blogger. It's Mike and Susan, and they do very unique videos. So they put out once a week, but they'll do, for example, 3 travel trailers with the largest bathrooms, or 3 fifth wheels that have the biggest bunkhouses. Very unique videos, and they do other videos as well, of course, but very, very specific and unique videos that could really be helpful if you're searching.
And finally, very much like Matt, there's another channel that if you've been looking for an RV, you will come across his channel. It's going to be Josh, formerly from Haylett RV. Now he's with Bish's RV, but Josh the RV Nerd, he does a ton. Well, he used to do a ton. He still does a lot of different RV walkthroughs. He also does a lot of RV industry updates, a lot of trends, and he's very honest about what goes on. Most of the stuff he says on there, we can kind of verify and see that it's true just looking at it on the field.
Right, and he's Uncle Josh, that's what he calls himself. And I have to say this too, when we first got our RV and knew nothing, I've said this before in other videos, I would always hear Josh in my shower, because Izzy would be watching every single one of Josh's videos when we first started, and you really did learn a lot. All I heard, Josh the RV Nerd, Josh the RV Nerd. But yeah, he's a wealth of information.
So the next category, if you own an RV, you will certainly be looking on YouTube for this. It's going to be RV DIYs, diagnosing RV problems,
upgrades,
also upgrades, information, tow weight. So we have a few good channels that really focus on this.
One of the big ones, you probably know him, is JD from Big Truck, Big RV. Again, he's probably the king out there of talking about tow vehicles and weights and things, safety and things like that.
And you know he has to be good. He has a lot of subscribers. He gets a lot of views. He has never shown his face. So people watch him because of the wealth of information that he gives.
The next one is going to be RV tips and travels. And Ross is another wealth of information. Also puts out about one video a week, maybe less, but they are probably some of the most detailed, well-edited videos that you will find on YouTube.
They're one of those videos that he takes, pretty much it's dummy proof. Like there's illustrations and all kind of different angles. You could tell there hours and hours and hours that go into editing of his videos. It's almost like an encyclopedia. I mean, it's that good.
Right. Another one is Changing Lanes, Chad and Tara. You probably know them. We don't have to go into too much, but they do travel videos as well, but they're very good. Chad is like a brain.
Very technical.
He has the technical knowledge, and he also can break things down in an excellent way if you're looking to learn something. The next one is Blue Ox on the Run, and it's Pierre and Laurel, and they do all different videos. They do walkthroughs and things like that, but they have an RV inspection company, so they do a lot of videos telling you what to look for when you're getting an RV. They'll take you through inspections and show exactly what they do during an inspection, which can be really helpful because a lot of people don't know exactly what an RV inspection entails. So that's really helpful.
And they also will show you what they find on these inspections. And they are also full-time RVers. So again, those full-time RVers, although most RVers are not full-time RVers, they have a wealth of experience just from being on the road, right?
And they've been RVing for years, a long time. So as we're going through these, guys, again, put in the comments, which of these channels do you watch? Are you going to check out now as we go through this?
All the channels will link their YouTube links down below.
And then the last category, and again, there's probably more, but we just narrowed it down to these, is dealers and manufacturers.
Yeah, so the first one, if you've watched, they have one of the larger dealer channels, NRVC, Angie, who's the spokeswoman basically for them. She does very detailed, long, very long
Yes.
walkthroughs. So you're talking about an hour plus, but she will go over everything. If
Every
you have the
inch.
time, you will learn a lot of
Yeah,
information.
she's really, really good.
About with her videos.
Yep.
Also, North Trail RV. Now, they don't put out as consistently as some other dealers, but they do also have a pretty decent following, and they put out really good videos.
And the next one is Rev Group.
Yeah, so they put out videos not as regular as the other two, but again, they have really good videos. Of course, it's on their products.
Right.
But Mike Gephardt, Don.
No, you mixed them up.
Sorry.
Mike Grove and Don Gephardt.
And
Great,
then
great guys.
Doug Miller also. He
Yep,
puts out
yep.
some of the times you'll get him on there. But yes, they're very nice, and technical information. If you're interested in any Rev Group products, go check them out and you'll learn some information.
And then finally is the bonus.
We saved the best for last.
The bonus, yeah. So a channel that does all of the above, kind of, is us, right?
Yeah.
So we do, of course we had to leave ourselves to last, but we do, if you watch us, you know that we do RV tours, we do DIYs. We're not a dealership or a manufacturer. So
But we do go to a lot of them.
we do go to them, yes. So we do all that. We do document a lot of our travels. So
And we do things with a twist. Sometimes some people aren't happy when we say things, but we say things that we see, and we say what we see.
we are very honest, and if you don't like it, I'm sorry, but we'll continue to be honest. But if you're not following us, this is a good time to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we release new videos. And I'll throw in my little thing that I always say. We also have a private Facebook group. So a lot of our subscribers will hop over to Facebook and join our private group. It's called Endless RVing RVers Coming Together. And we also have a free monthly newsletter that you can join. So we'll put that down below.
So in the comments below, let us know what are some of your favorite RV YouTube channels. We couldn't name them all here. There's a lot of them out there, but these are some of the bigger ones that are very popular. And each one we named will cover a category that we also named. And then to the left of us, if you're interested in more RV tours, more RV DIY information, we have our playlist. We'll link it over here. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.